Pick the ocean picture and reduce its opacity and set it on multiply. Then from the curve section, we adjust the color of the picture as you see in the video. Go to the effects and set it to NTRL3. We erase the middle parts of the image that are too dark with the eraser. Then set it to BRL1. Search for the word water splash from the sticker section and you can choose any one you like. I chose this picture because it was more compatible with my subject. We match the color of the image using curves. Search jellyfish from sticker section. Set the blend to lighten. Search blue light from sticker section. And we set the blend mode of the blue light to screen. Set the blur to 81, on sharp to 53, saturation to 29 and fade to 25. We put the jellyfish on the right side of the subject again. As before, we put the blue light on the jellyfish's head. We use blue light for the shadows of the jellyfish that are close to the bottom and black shadow for the jellyfish that are higher. We use curves again and adjust the color. And we darken some parts with it. And we return the parts that we want to remain light to their original state using the eraser, just like in the video. Go to the effects and set it to GRNG. Again, we remove the effect from the subject itself and only the effect will leave it on the background.